looking forward to having perfect glowing spring skin with our friends at Dermalogica. If you're hoping to shake off the blues and give your skincare regime an overhaul, there is one word you need to keep repeating, and that is hydration. Like most things in nature, without water our skin can't function properly, and Dermalogica have set about making sure that your skin can get the hydration it needs and keep it. Victoria is here to tell us how Dermalogica have managed to do just that.
Hi Laura and everyone watching. Yes, we have created the most amazing hydrating serum. It literally floods the skin with hydration, but unlike many hydrating serums, this one prevents moisture evaporation and it stimulates the skin's natural moisture from within. And our clinical studies show that Circular Hydration Serum deeply hydrates the skin for 10+ hours and increases hydration levels over time.
Victoria, there are going to be a lot of people watching this who will be currently using the Dermalogica Skin Hydrating Booster. Does this product offer more benefits?
Yes, it's funny because hyaluronic acid and hyaluronic serums have been a buzzword and a popular ingredient for a few years now, but we developed Skin Hydrating Booster 20 years ago. It was way before its time, but we have taken the latest science and formulated a serum that not only contains hyaluronic acid, but really innovative ingredients, multiple ingredients from the world of science and nature to deliver a far superior serum that really advances the skin's hydration cycle.
I understand we need hydration. In that case, could we not just increase our water consumption to achieve the same result?
Unfortunately not. Now, we do of course recommend that you drink plenty of water daily and eat plenty of water-rich foods. No surprise, that's your fruit and veggies. But the reality is dehydration of the skin is almost impossible to avoid no matter how much water you drink. Our climate, the weather, low humidity, dry air, air conditioning, central heating, plus what we do to our skin, whether that's over processing it, using the acids too much or retinol. And very often we find with combination and oily skin, we're either not moisturizing or stripping and drying the moisture from the skin. So all of these things contribute to moisture evaporation, which is called transepidermal water loss. And it's important to note that a dehydrated skin does not function well. We'll hold on to dead flaky skin. We can produce more oil to compensate. So all skins need adequate and consistent hydration to function effectively.
Why does our skin lose hydration? And what is the science behind Dermalogica's cure for dehydration?
Well, water travels in one direction from the deeper layers of the skin through to the surface and then evaporates into the atmosphere. With Circular Hydration Serum, we really wanted to advance that skin's hydration cycle and prevent the evaporation. So we have a combination of different hydrating ingredients that work in 3 different ways. One, to deliver hydration, which is what you'd expect from a hydrating serum, but we use low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, meaning it can travel deeper, but we added organic silicium to that to ensure a really deep penetration. Secondly, we have larger molecular weight hydrators that saturate the surface of the skin, really replenish that skin's moisture barrier. We're using polyglutamic acid with lactobacillus ferment, with oat extract, and these will help to provide a film of hydration to reinforce the skin's barrier, preventing that transepidermal water loss. And the third way is with ingredients that really stimulate the skin's production of its own hydrating molecules or natural moisturizing factors. And this is what creates that circle of hydration to sustain that hydration for that 10+ hours within the skin.
This product helps us keep moisture in the skin for longer, which is great. And as you said, the clinical studies showed it deeply hydrates the skin for 10+ hours. I also love that you can feel the effects as soon as you put it on, something I particularly like as I am a bit impatient. What products complement it the best?
Well, Circular Hydration Serum is suitable for any skin and we all experience dehydration, so you can slot this into any routine. But for the ultimate in boosting skin hydration, I would recommend pairing it with our multi-active toner and skin smoothing cream. Both of those are super hydrating, and again, any skin can use those formulas.
Once we've done our cleansing and moisturising, can we put our makeup on straight away?
Yeah, it's really, really simple to use. You just take half a dropper onto clean skin. So once you've done your cleansing, you can spritz with your hydrating toner and then apply the serum over your face and neck. It absorbs really quickly and easily into the skin. You can then moisturize over the top to seal that in, and you can go ahead and apply your makeup straight away.
Once again, Dermalogica are propelling us forward into progressive thinking skincare, and I love it. This one is a definite must-have for me, and I look forward to seeing how my skin is in a few months' time. Thank you, Victoria.
Thanks, Laura. And yes, and Circular Hydration Serum has definitely become a daily staple for me. My skin has been looking really great. So don't underestimate how well your skin functions when it has adequate hydration levels. You'll likely see an improvement no matter what skin condition you have.